A very special person who wanted this video.
This is slime. It came in today. I'm gonna be opening this box.
As you can see, we shall be opening this bad boy. Oh my heavens, I'm nutting everywhere. Why am I? So this is the slime guide. It has Orbeez. I don't know what that is. Oh, activate. Subscribe and like and comment down below. They're OGs. Beautiful munchkin right here. Do not eat, okay? Don't even think about it. No. Don't even think about it, girl. Ooh, this looks so yummy in my tummy. And yay!
EJ, come. Water.
Layla, look at you, for you, baby. There she goes. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. This is rose quartz. Rose quartz is something amazing you would never. Ah! This is a rose quartz that you would have never thought it would be amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's open this. Holy moly, guacamole! Ah, this is amazing. It smells like soap. Yummy. This is the slime we shall be playing today. I don't have a stand, so I'm gonna have to compromise. Leon's shirt.